Hi, I'm Chris.
And Kathy.
And today I'm going to make you some little pizzas on some skull-shaped puffballs. I have two videos already, one on specifically on skull-shaped puffballs, and I have one on grilling a giant puffball. And you could use either the giant puffball or the skull-shaped one. All you're really looking for is enough surface area to make a pizza on. Alright, so I'm going to first thing that you want to do is make sure that it's all white inside, like this one is. Okay, so I'm just going to cut these in about 1/2 inch layers here. That's still nice and white. And cut one more here. Alright, I'll put that to the side. Alright, now all I do, I'm going to take a little olive oil, put it on the one side, just like I did the giant puffball before I grilled it, but I'm not going to grill them. I'm just going to do them inside on the cook stove. A little salt, a little pepper. Okay, now that I got that done, I'd put it in a non-stick pan like I have here. And then I've been doing it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, flip it over, put olive oil and salt and pepper the other side. Alright, so now for the toppings, you use whatever pizza sauce you want, whatever toppings that you want. There's that.
Some marinara sauce, some red onion, a little bit of bell pepper, make some pretty colors there, and some pepperoni.
Or sausage.
Whatever you like.
Okay, some cheese. I'm using Kojak because I like how it melts. And she's using pepper jack on hers. Okay, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little Italian seasoning, and then they're ready for over here, which I already have a couple done, and there they are. Alright, now my plate is over here, so I'm just going to transfer these over here. I got it up on the
Got it on a little rack.
rack, yeah. So because I don't want the bottoms to burn, because they would burn on in the cast iron. Okay, so there's that. And then I'll put these two in the place. And cover them back up. And then I can put these into the non-stick pan, so I can cook them up. Alright, so that's all there is to that. This one is mine because it's got the Kojak on it. Obviously you're not going to pick this up like you would a regular pizza, but it's really good. And you know what? You don't even need to add mushrooms to the topping.
No, not when you have a mushroom crust.
And oh, that is really good. So whether it's a skull-shaped or a giant puffball or portobello caps, the large portobello caps, do the same thing. Cook the mushroom first. If I was using a giant puffball, I would probably do on the grill the way I did it on my other video, and then put all the toppings on. But this turned out great just the way this is. So,
And if you wanted to brown it up a little bit more, you could always throw it in the broiler or in your toaster oven after it comes out. Otherwise, it looks great just the way it is.
Yep. So if you're into hunting, fishing, trapping, metal detecting, foraging, and making stuff like this, join us on Facebook at All Things Wild. Look for the canoe at the top of the page, and thanks for watching.
Bye.